I don't know what this building is, but we're gonna go take a look. Alright, we'll see what kind of elevators we got in here. Control letterbox. I've never seen water fountains like that. Let's see if they're any good. That's the coldest I've had all day. Anyway, modernized, dang it. Oh, there's a little arrow behind there. You can't see it. Oh, maybe. I wonder what these were. Up to 4? Well, at least they got a nice motor to them. See the lanterns out here. Huh, another up arrow. All right then. We'll watch both sides this time. For generics, these aren't too bad. There's the main lobby, and we'll get a shot of what the main front entrance of the building looks like since I came in this side. Yeah. But for those of you who are curious, here's the main entrance. 141 Union apparently is what this building is. That's it.